You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is p equals 6/5. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all p terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 5p from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 6 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the p. Divide both sides by 5. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is p equals 6/5.